Hello, friends. Hope you're doing great. In today's session, let's move to the first topic, fitness center. Hi there. I'm interested in joining this gym. Can you tell me about your membership terms and conditions, options? Of course, we have several plans depending which one you wish to opt to. By the way, are you looking for a monthly or annual membership? I think I'd rather prefer a monthly plan to start with. Can you tell me what does that include? Initially, our basic monthly plan gives you access to all available equipment as well as to group classes. It's $50 per month. That sounds quite reasonable. Are there any joining fees besides? There's only a one time $20 joining fee. Apart from that, we are introducing a lucrative offer wherein we will waive that if you sign up today. Great. Can you tell me, please, what kind of training equipment do you have available? We have quite a multiple range of equipment available. For instance, cardio machines, free weights, as well as resistance training equipment. Would you like to check by yourself? Yes, that would really be helpful. Do you have a swimming pool available? We do have. The pool is operational right from 6 a.m. to 9 p.m. daily. We do offer swim classes in case you are interested. I might be. Is there any trainer available? And what about the charges? Personal training is an additional service besides our prevailing offer. We have packages starting right from $150 for almost 5 sessions. I see. And what are your busiest hours? I would rather prefer to work out when it's less crowded. Seemingly, early morning hours and right after work hours are busiest. Relatively, midday and late evenings are normally quieter. Good to know. Do you offer any introductory sessions to learn as to how to use the equipment? Of course, we offer a free basic orientation sessions for all of our new members. We'll show you precisely well how to use all the gadgets safely. Perfect. Thanks for your guidelines. I think I'm ready to sign up. What else do you need from me? Great. I'll need you to submit a photo ID in order to set up your payment schedule. Do you have any other questions you need to ask? No, thanks. I think that's all. You have covered almost everything. Thanks once again for your help. I appreciate that. You're welcome. We are really excited to have you on board. Let's get your membership set up. Thanks.